In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer stocks from CashApp to Fidelity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order for you to transfer your existing stocks from CashApp into Fidelity, you can use the Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, known as ACATS. You can find your Cash App investing account number on a trade confirmation or monthly statement, and it is one of the important things that you will need for this whole process. So basically, the ACATS is where the TOA or transfer of assets takes place. And as you can see, it is available on the official Fidelity website. So go over to customer service and then look for transfer assets or look for the option to transfer assets on Google. Cash App also has a page dedicated to this, but as you can see, it is mostly text. So these are just warnings that you must be aware of before proceeding. There might also be a fee included, and it can take up to a week basically to get this done. So keep all of that in mind. I recommend stopping here to read all of this, including the fee that I mentioned. Now, if you want to go ahead and transfer, you will be able to choose from various options here and then start a transfer. When you choose Start a Transfer, all that you have to do through this Fidelity website form is to answer the questions. They are going to ask you if you already have an account on Fidelity, so choose accordingly. If you select No, you will have to create one and open an account, so keep that in mind. You can choose which account you currently have, so a pre-existing account, for example, brokerage. And when you choose Next, they will suggest an account based on the one that you already have available. You can see all of the accounts and choose one of the other ones if you aren't satisfied. And once you reach this step here, you will have to include a lot of personal details about yourself. Because of the nature of this video and all of the details that should be included, I cannot show you all of this on screen. However, after this, it should be pretty intuitive and you will be able to fill out all of the necessary information and documents. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer stocks from Cash App to Fidelity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.